This is the third video in the series on how to do graphics with DarkGDK, specifically 2D graphics with pasting images. So we're going to build off the spider program, and rather than create it again, I'm going to make a copy of the one I already had. So the first thing you need to do is find your project. And then you can right click it, choose copy, click somewhere else in the folder, try that again, and choose paste. Now I'm going to rename the folder, instead of copy of spiders, jumping spiders. And I'm going to go inside the folder and then double click the one that says Microsoft Visual Studio Solution. This will open the program up in Visual Studio for us. So here's our code, and I'm going to run it real quick just so we can get a reminder of what it looks like. Okay, so there's one spider here, and there's a little spider up here. The little one is actually spider2.bmp, which we had for image number 3. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with this code. I'm going to add some code to make the spiders look like the little one is jumping towards the big one. So we're going to clear the screen. Command is dbcls. I'm going to copy all the code for both the spiders and the background. And paste it below the clear. But this time I'm going to move the spider. I'm going to move him closer to the bigger spider. So he's going to be at x equals 50, y equals 100. Now I did forget one thing. Before the clear line, we need to add a wait. db wait, and wait for something like 2 seconds. You might find that 2 seconds is too much or too little. You can adjust that later. So then, I'm going to take all this and copy it. And then paste it. So in another 2 seconds, we will move the spider yet closer. Let's move him to 150, 200. And let's save and build again. So every time we clear the screen and then redraw the spiders, we're drawing them in a little bit different place. Now this is going to be a really slow animation. We're going to see how to do smooth animations later, but for now this is what we can do. So there's the original picture, he moves again. I think I'll add 2 more. One to have him jump up here, and one to have him jump down here. Okay. So I'm going to paste the text again. This time we will move this from 150 to 250, but we'll go back to, let's say, 80 on the y variable, on the y argument. And then let's paste one more time. And this time we'll go up to 350 and 200. This should put the little spider practically on top of the big one. So build the program again. And let's watch it one more time. Ah, there we go. The little spider has successfully jumped on the big spider. So I think I'll take this one step further and cut down some of the weights. I think I'll make the last two weights each 500 milliseconds. That's half a second. To simulate the spiders creeping up on one and then jumping quick. There we go. So that's our animated program. All this code is on GriffinGate. Please be sure to check it out, and you will need to download the images from the textbook's website. I'm not going to post the images on GriffinGate, just the code.